Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a transparent glass board presentation on a laptop using a webcam and an Android smartphone. This will resemble a light board presentation without a physical glass board. I will be writing on the screen of the phone with an S Pen. Hi, I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam, an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai, India. You can learn more about my professional interests from my website www.dr.A.K.Venkat.com. I also create educational videos in my pastime to guide teachers, doctors, and businesses to ramp up their communication skills like speaking fluently on camera while maintaining eye contact with the help of do-it-yourself teleprompters and tech videos. You can find them all on my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center, MJRC. If you have not already seen it, then I suggest that you visit it and subscribe. I have lots of videos on orthopedic procedures, patient reviews, and do-it-yourself and tech videos. Let's list out what we need. The first thing is a phone with the facility to screen write with a stylus. I will be using my Samsung Note 20 Ultra with its S Pen. Then a note-taking app is required in which you can change the page color and font colors. I will be using the Samsung Note app. I will use the Samsung Notes app to write on and add it as a display capture in OBS. I will choose a green color background and a pink color pen for clarity and brightness. I will key out the green background later in OBS. To mirror my phone to my laptop on which I will be recording this slideboard presentation, I will use the Let's View app. You could also use the Microsoft app or an Android mirroring app. I will then add my video camera source in OBS. Here I am seated in front of a green screen. I will size the camera appropriately to get sufficient writing space. I will key out the green screen. Next, I will add a white background image. The sources in OBS are lined up in the following order. The display capture consisting of the writing window is at the front or top. Behind is the camera source, and behind me or it is a virtual white screen. I will also add an audio input source for my voice to be recorded. My OBS setup is now complete. I will now share my laptop screen to show you what I mean. I am now sharing my screen with you. I have opened up OBS and I have launched my webcam, my Logitech Brio webcam, and you can see that I am seated here in front of a green screen. This is absolutely essential. Now I am going to add a display capture in this, and that display capture will be my phone's screen itself with the writing app. I'm going to choose my Samsung Notes app. I'm going to create a new note, and I'm going to set the page color and everything for this note now. So we have this faded green color, and I'm going to choose that. So let's choose that background color, and then I will be writing, and let me choose a pen color. So pen color, so you have the pen color here. So all these pen colors are available. So I'm going to choose red, and this is the stylus. I'm going to write with this on the page here. So as I write, everything is visible. Now I can look you in the eye honestly and tell you that I'm confident that when I write on my phone screen, it will be recorded in OBS. Now that we are happy, so I will move that to the second monitor and add it as a display capture now. So now is the time to add the display capture. Before that, let me size my camera to trim all these unwanted portions here. I will place my image at the center of the screen, and then I will be keying it subsequently. Then I've got an image which I've hidden. Let me show you that image. This is the hidden image. This is the white background. I've already uploaded it, and it's behind my camera here. But we can downsize this camera to give ourselves more screen space, all this screen space over here to write on with our S Pen. So now I'm going to add a display capture. So from sources, I'm going to add a display capture, and I'm going to choose a display capture there. We had already selected the display capture, and placed it on the second monitor. Let's choose it from the second monitor. So there we have the second monitor, and I can enlarge the size of it to fill the whole screen. And like before, I'm going to crop this page to remove all this unnecessary area. Now in the sources, this display capture is in front. This is my video camera and it's there now, and I can make this display capture fit to screen. So now it's occupying the whole screen and I can write on it. So now I can write on the screen. I'm going to key out this green color over here. So I will select a filter. I will add a chroma key here. And there we are. You are seeing me behind a transparent glass. I have got this phone on which I will be writing with the S Pen. This is the S Pen. I'm looking into the camera. I will be holding my phone here and I will be writing on it, and it will appear on the screen. So this is a transparent glass effect. Transparent glass on smartphone for teaching. So for this you need your laptop, smartphone, stylus, OBS software, mirroring app. If you don't have a Samsung phone, then you can get any phone, and then you'll have to download the writing app and then a Let's View app on your phones, and you can still. This is how we conduct a transparent glass lightboard presentation from a smartphone. So I'm going to close this transparent glass presentation and conclude. So this is a very useful method of an innovative method of making a very attractive and innovative lightboard tutorial from your smartphone. I have actually made a video using a smartphone, but in that my face was very small because I was using the screen recorder facility in the phone itself, and usually the face is restricted to a small circle. But now you are seeing me in full, and this makes it much more convincing. And since you can see all my hand movements, visual movements, my every expression, this makes it more attractive. I believe that this is probably the first time that a transparent glass effect of this nature using third-party app, OBS, has been made on YouTube. Check it out. So if you're excited to know more about such videos, I've got a similar idea for iPad. That's next in line. I already made a video for Boogie board, and I've got one for iPad. That's next in line. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. After subscribing, smash that bell icon so that you will be notified when I make a video in future. Bye and cheers.